Hey, how's everybody doing? Just figured I'd show you this. I machined this out of a solid block of 6061. 28.5 millimeter spring-loaded 510. Magnetic door. It's a Sx350J chip, the temperature chip. I also ended up putting this is a titanium clip I put on here so I could clip it on. It just comes right off. It's a couple tiny stainless steel screws. Here's the door. You can see it's machined out for the battery. It's magnetic. Now this one is a 26650 mod that I made. The battery contacts, I machined them out of Delrin inside. Here's the magnets. There's 10 pounds of pull here, so this thing doesn't move. I actually enjoy doing this. It closes like a vault door. I mean, there's no seams, as you can see. Show you what it looks like with a limo on it. There is the limo on it. Just a regular 5 milliliter limo. I do have a nickel build in here. It's on temperature controls, as you can see. These little buttons are I machined these out of stainless. It has a 16 millimeter. It's a clicky button that you can hear. It's pretty nice. I don't know, that's about it. Let me exit out of this. Let's go down. Okay. Now I'm going to show you inside. You can see there's no screws on this. Also, another thing, on the bottom of here, you'll see that there's you got 2 battery vent holes, and then you have there's a notch cut out. This is just so you can pick up on the battery door. So I had to indent it. So you can see there's a little tiny tab. Now this doesn't go below the mod. It's all flush down here, so when it sits on something, it's perfectly flat. Also, there's another hole here I made, and I'll show you what that's for in a second. I wanted to show you the inside. I'll pull this battery out of here. Just pops right out. As you can see, this is all encapsulated. You can't get to the chip from here. There's no screws. There's just there's 2 tiny stainless pins that holds this face on, and the chip's all inside here. You can't get to it. So that's all protected. Also, I'll just go ahead and put the battery in and show you. See, it's tight in there. The door doesn't even need to. I mean, it's just, I got the tension just perfect, to be honest. It took a while to get it like that, because I had to machine those Delrin pieces perfectly to figure out exactly what tension I wanted. I mean, you can put a little bit of back. Now, this hole in the bottom that I made these little plates. Well, I made this plate, and it has it's aluminum, and then I put a stainless steel stud in it. See, it's pinned in there, and what I'm going to do is I have this 3M tape. This is good for up to 80 pounds per square inch, so plenty strong. And I'm just going to put it on the bottom of this plate, couple strips. This is an inch, this is a half inch, and stick it in my car. So then when I get in, I don't want to have a cup holder or whatnot. You just would stick it on top of the pin. And it's just slightly loose, so you don't have no trouble putting it in and out. and plus I chamfered the edges on the so it guides it in easier. I'm probably going to put a little bit of rubber on top of this. I have some sticky rubber. That way that it won't be, if you're hitting bumps in the car, it won't be getting any kind of that vibration. In case anybody's interested in this, it is about around 3 5/8 tall, and it's 2 1/4 wide. Oh, and it's 1 1/4 inch thick. I actually ended up repurposing this thing. This was for my Pravari. I just put a Pravari in there, and then I could put some 18650 batteries in there, or a tank here. And I made it so it would just fit in this slot, as you can see. So I ended up pinning it, and now I can just throw that on there. Now it won't go anywhere while I'm driving. I won't have to have it down in one of these cups. Well, thanks for watching.